Many people look at stock markets and think it's not for them. Too risky. They're only for rich people. Too complicated. Sure, markets are complicated, but you don't have to be a Wall Street trader to get your money making more money. One simple way of doing this is investing in ETFs, or exchange-traded funds. To help understand what an ETF is, let's imagine a DJ playing a club. He picks out records for his set and puts them in a crate. Think of the crate as the ETF. It holds a collection of different investments in stocks, bonds, or commodities like gold, the same way the crate is holding different records. You can buy and sell ETFs as shares on the market, like stock in a company, but buying an ETF is generally less risky than stocks. Investing in a single stock is like betting that one record the DJ plays will have everyone getting hype. Whereas investing in an ETF is like betting on that crate full of records. You know there's a solid mix of tracks, and you'd probably feel more confident the DJ will make most people happy that night. Because an ETF is made up of different investments. The ones that perform well can usually make up for the ones that don't. ETFs are also a great way to invest in specific industries. For example, an ETF focused on tech might include investments of giants like Facebook and Google, as well as lesser-known companies. To buy ETFs, all you have to do is open an investment account with your bank or brokerage firm and pick the ones you want. You can also use robo-advisors like Wealthfront or Betterment. Prices depend on the ETF. Some are as low as around $5 a share, others can be $300 or more. At many firms, there's no longer commissions for buying and selling ETFs. Oh, and one last thing. When it comes to ETFs, it's best to play the long-term game. Don't overly worry about the fund's daily rises and falls. You're not going to make or lose a ton of money in a day with an ETF. Instead, look at how an ETF has performed over the last 3 to 10 years. If the general curve is going up over time, that means if the trend continues, you can make more money in the long run on your investment.